Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. And today I have a Loft haul. I actually made these purchases two different times at two different stores. One thing only caught my eye on one store, and that was last weekend. And then today I went back to a different store and a few more things caught my eye. I'll have to admit the prices that I got on these items weren't the greatest. They were on sale, but it wasn't a good sale. But I really liked the items and I picked them up. One thing to note is that all these items in my regular extra size, extra small, they seem to run a little big. So for some of them, I went over to the petite department and I ended up getting a petite extra small. The one item, the original item I got at the one store, I did not get in the petite extra small. That store did not have them there. And I'm thinking of maybe returning it and seeing if they can order me the extra small, petite extra small, and have it sent to me. But you guys let me know in the comments below whether you think I should bother doing that or if the regular extra small looks fine. So the first thing I got was this little striped vest. All right, a sweater vest. And I just love the colors. I love the stripes. I mean, there's so much I can wear this with. Right now, I'm going to be putting on a dark washed denim skirt and style all these items with that skirt. But I just wanted to let you guys see this. But I think I would do this also too. I have a pair of tan joggers. I do this sweater vest with tan joggers. And this thing puts a smile on my face. I don't really have anything like it. And I do like wearing knits. I'm a big knit person. And this I paid $47.96. It was originally $59.95. And I ended up, actually, sorry, I take it back. I paid $43.96. I gave a $3 donation. So it was like a $15 discount. So nothing great, but not bad. Okay, next store. I got this sweater vest. This is a very nautical looking sweater vest, and this is in a petite extra small. I mean, look how generously long this to me seems. So I can't imagine this in the regular extra small and how long it would be on me. And I bought it with this cute little white puff sleeve top to go underneath. They had this on display in the store. I thought it looked adorable. The t-shirt is $27.96. The, which one is this one? This one sweater that I got was $41.96 and the other one is $45.96. Which one is this one? This one is the $59.95, $41.96. Again, not a great bargain, but I really like them. Of course, these things are all much cheaper than what I would get through Stitch Fix or White House Black Market. So, you know, more than I'm used to paying at Loft, but, you know, the items are nice. Let me tell you what these things are made out of. They feel mostly cotton, but there might be some sort of blend in these. 60% cotton, 40% acrylic. And this one is, hold on, same thing, 60-40, 60 cotton, 40% acrylic. And then I got this ivory little cardigan that has this cute little stitching on it. Again, I had to go down to a petite extra small. So both the navy and the white tee are petite extra small. I put this on in a regular extra small and the sleeves were just ginormous. They were completely rolled up, enormously huge, and it just looks sloppy on me. Went down to a petite extra small, much better. And I usually don't have that problem with Loft. Loft, I usually do a regular extra small. And again, this one I ended up paying $45.96 for. And this one I checked, it's 100% cotton. And I didn't have an ivory little cardigan. Alrighty, give me a minute and I'll do a little try on. Okay, first I want to warn you, I did not change my shoes. The reason why, when I was going shopping, I wasn't paying attention where I was walking and I was wearing sandals and I stubbed my toe on a concrete planter. And it bled, and I don't want to take these shoes. It's dried up now, and I don't want to take these shoes off and put them in another shoe, which might cause it to bleed again. So I already ruined one pair of shoes. I don't want to ruin another, so just bear with me in these shoes. I'd probably wear this outfit with a pair of sneakers. I actually was talking to the woman in the store. She goes, what would you wear? And she kind of agrees. White sneakers would go best with this. So here is the cute, adorable little puff sleeves. This is a cotton poplin type of sleeve, and the shell of this is just like a regular t-shirt material. The t-shirt itself is very thin and a little bit see-through, but my intention was to wear something over it like this, and I just think this is adorable. I love this outfit. The skirt is mine. I got it in Loft in like 2018, 19, probably 18. I mean, that's how old it is. It has these cute little flat pockets here, buttons down the front. And they have something similar to this now with patch pockets in the front. So if you want to recreate this outfit, you can certainly get that denim skirt, but I'm not buying a duplicate denim skirt. So if you're looking for like a mini skirt with patch pockets in the dark wash, Loft's got it. So I just love this top. This whole thing, this outfit puts a smile on my face. It's very preppy. I don't know, I just like it. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on the next sweater vest. Okay, here's the next striped sweater vest. I really love this sweater vest. I think it's so cute in the colors. It has a high neck, which typically I don't like high necks, but I think this one works. And again, the other one had a high neck too, but it's a sweater vest. The sleeve openings are good, but it is quite long. So you guys let me know, is it worth it for me to bring this back to Loft and return it and have them order me a petite extra small in this, or does this look fine? The other one I'm happy with the sizing with. This one I just think maybe it might be a little bit too long, but you guys let me know. I'm not opposed to keeping it, and I'm gonna also look back at the footage to make sure it looks okay on me and it's not too bunchy. And yeah, I mean, I love this sweater vest. It's adorable, and I don't want to, definitely don't want to lose it. So if they don't have a petite extra small, which I know they sell it in a petite extra small, not in the store, but if for some reason it sells out, I'll keep this one. That's how much I love it. All right, give me a minute and I'll just pop on the cardigan. Okay, so I have on the little cardigan, and this is not actually how I'd wear it. This is almost I would use as a layering piece. When it gets a little cold in a restaurant or something, I would throw this on. I actually didn't have any plain cream cardigans. A few weeks ago, back in July, I bought like a taupe color cardigan because I didn't have a neutral color cardigan. Now I have a cream one. I could still use a black one. So I wouldn't wear it buttoned up, but I wanted you to see it buttoned up. Again, this is the petite extra small. I tried on the regular extra small, and literally the arms were like down to here, and they had to be rolled up. It was just so sloppy looking. So I'm very surprised because usually I'm not a petite in tops and Loft. So just letting anybody know that who is petite, you might have a little bit of a problem with this line and the way it runs. So I'm gonna open it up. Like I would probably wear it if I were to button it all, is probably just the top button, and just leave it open like this to throw open over like a little dress or another type of top. And yeah, I like this. This is a no-brainer. This is actually something I could actually use in my wardrobe. I didn't have a white cardigan, I didn't have a plain ivory cardigan, I didn't have a black cardigan, so now I have a taupe and a cream, and I could use a black and a white. All right, well, thank you very much. I appreciate your time with me today. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and one other thing. I think I might return that one and order it in an extra small, petite extra small. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Take care, until next time.